kailangan gamitin yung keyboard shortcut.
Get you! Control plus Z. And thus the last action. This is useful for correcting mistakes instantly.
Ayun, na-install. Ay, hindi ko pala na-save.
Get you!
Control S. Save the current document. Regularly saving your work prevents data loss in case of unexpected shutdowns.
Paano yan? Hindi ko alam i-copy.
Wow! I get you!
Control plus C copies the selected text or object to the clipboard.
Ayun, na-copy.
I got you!
Ctrl plus V, paste the copy or cut content from the clipboard into the document.